Hello everyone, welcome again to yet another session on our value investing series. Today is a special day. Actually, I also came to know that this is our fourth anniversary, you can say, wherein we have started our value investing YouTube channel. Last 2 years, we have been more concentrated on creating more quality content. So on this fourth year of celebrating our formation of our YouTube channel, the important thing which I want to quickly convey to you is that we all are fundamentally strong value investors, wherein we believe in fundamental analysis, take our own calculated risk, understand the rewards, research well, do our proper analysis, and then take our conscious call on investing in the company. This includes understanding the mode, the value the stock is offering, the management, the unique advantage the business is having over the peers, the fundamental ratios, the valuations, the future cash flow projections, the dividend rates, the intrinsic value, future prospects of the company, all these things. We analyze all of these things while getting into a company. But then one important thing which we have to understand is that we are not God to generate bigger alpha or to win the market always. So we always make mistakes. Let's admit that. I have made mistakes. You even maybe you are a big investor, but still you make mistakes. We all make mistakes because, as the saying goes, it is human to make mistakes. So as we make mistakes, we should try to learn from those mistakes. So what is the quickest way of learning from those mistakes, or how to incorporate that learnings into your future investments so that you don't repeat it? Because once you did the mistake, you may have lost some money. Then you should not repeat it, because you have learned it in a hard way. You have paid a price for that. So that price was a learning fee for you, a tuition fee for you. But then you should not forget that and again make that mistake and repeat the tuition fee. So the point here is that you should learn it. You should understand the mistake which you have done. Take a book. You should retain a book, a diary, wherein you should write down the mistake which you have done and the way out of it which you have found out for that mistake. That also you should write. So problem, the mistake you have done. Solution, the way out, you have cleared out of that. You have understood the way out and you have come out of that. Or probably you have seek others' help, or maybe you have taken value from my channel and you have learned that. But then that needs to be written down in your diary so that you don't repeat that mistake again. So learning from your mistake is a very important thing. Whether it is about trading, then stop trading, go for long-term investing. Whether it is about your impulsive selling, wherein you have earned 30% or 40%, then the stock went to 5 times, 10 times, you miss that rally. Whether it is buying into a stock whose fundamentals are really poor, but then once the price went down by 30%, 40%, you again average that stock without understanding its fundamentals, and the stock again fell and you lost a lot of money in that. Complete loss of capital. So these are points, a few points, lot of mistakes we have done. So that needs to be written down in the diary. Go through that, make it the part of your investing journey so that you will never repeat that thing and you will become a tempered investor. Like Warren Buffett used to say, temperament is very important for an investor. Immaturity should not be there. As an investor, you should have temperament. You should have resilience. You should have patience. You should have the ability to invest long, stay long, and reap the benefits of long-term investing. So, a number of things. So, the takeaway here is that everyone can make mistakes. As I told in earlier videos also, in our videos also, that if you have 10 investments, 2 investments or 1 investment, or in that case, sometimes 3 investments can also go wrong. But the 8 investments will fetch you multi-bagger returns. But then the learnings from that 3 investments, what went wrong in that investment, that needs to be understood, jotted down, needs to be written down in the diary. Then you have to analyze that, learn from it, then move on to new investments, cut your losses and move on to new investments, but then incorporate those learnings in your future investing journey. So as we celebrate our 4th year of value investing channel, the humble advice to you is that never forget about your past learnings. Incorporate that with open-mindedness, without revenge trading or without any egoistic thinking. That learning should be incorporated into your future investing so that you never make that mistake again, because somebody told that I have done a mistake, and you will not learn from those mistakes. You have to make your own mistake by paying a price, then learn from that mistake. If you are mature enough, you must have learned the mistakes which others have done, great investors have done, and you will avoid it. But still, as humans, you can make mistake. Then that thing should be understood by you, written by you, analyzed by you. Then going forward, that shall never be repeated, so that you become a tempered, great, wealth creating investor. Hope this session was interesting for you. Thanks again for all your support for last 4 years. Going forward also, I will try to create better videos with better graphics or better content, so that I am able to value add to your investing journey. The whole journey has been all about creating value to subscribers, mitigating poverty, especially for salaried class, wherein they keep crying that they don't have enough assets or they don't have enough net worth. Our investing journey, our shrewd value investing principles will clearly help you create wealth and have a peaceful passive income or a good wealth creation over a longer term. See you next video. Till then, happy investing.